Good morning guys, in front of me is MOTOROLA Moto G54 Power, and let me show you how to add photo to contact. At first, open your phone gallery, then select the contact that you want to personalize, select edit and mark add picture. And now you can select the source from which you want to choose this photo. It can be a gallery, you can mark camera and then grab a picture right now. You can enter Google Photos and choose one from them, or one from illustrations here. And let me choose, for example, this one. So here we've got stock. You can also change the preset and then select choose. Click on save to apply, and that's it. So this is how you can personalize contact, how you can add photo. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.